In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Google Photos. If you've ever gone looking for a big, obvious log out button and couldn't find it, you're not alone. Google Photos doesn't always make sign out options front and center, and on some devices, logging out can mean disconnecting your Google account from the app or the device itself. Don't worry, today I'll walk you through the simplest way to sign out on a computer, and I'll explain what happens to your photos so you can log out with confidence. Let's start on desktop. Open your web browser and go to the Google Photos web app at photos.google.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner. You should see your profile picture or your initial in a circle. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In that menu, you'll see the option to sign out. Click Sign Out and you'll be logged out of Google Photos on the web. A quick heads up. If you use Chrome syncing, signing out here may also sign you out of other Google services in your browser, like Gmail or Drive. That behavior depends on your sync settings, so just be aware that you might have to sign back into those services afterward. If you're managing multiple Google accounts, double-check which account avatar you clicked before signing out, so you don't accidentally log out of the wrong one. Now let's talk about what logging out does, and just as importantly, what it doesn't do. Removing or disconnecting your Google account from Google Photos usually does not delete any photos stored locally on your device. Those pictures remain on your computer or phone. What this process really does is stop your device or browser from being connected to the Google account in Photos. It's a sign out or disconnect, not a data wipe. Your backed up cloud photos, the ones stored in your Google account online, remain safely in your Google Photos library unless you manually delete them. Logging out doesn't remove them from the cloud, and it doesn't cancel backups you've already completed. Later, if you sign back in, your library will be there waiting for you. If you don't see a clear sign out button in a particular app or device, that's typically because Google Photos relies on your broader Google account sign-in. In those cases, logging out often means removing the Google account from the app or from the device's account settings. Again, doing this disconnects access but does not